Alright. First, peekaboo game.
Can you see her very well?
No, but you can get the idea. She's in there smiling away. You can tell when you peek over because she gets a big old grin on her face.
Sees you? She doesn't.
See how close she gets here. Look at her crawling. Here she comes.
Chloe. Getting distracted.
She's coming though. She's looking for you. Look at her go. Look at her go. Ta-da! To be a drum. Fully. She really loves that corner.
Oh, she's gonna chew on that.